Hey, what's up guys, it's Henry, and today we'll be taking a look at the Infinix S4. This was launched a day ago in Nigeria, Lagos, Nigeria here. I was at the launch event. I even had a brief hands-on with the device, but I have the device in its package here, and I'm going to be unboxing this in today's video. If this is the first time you're on my channel, please hit the subscribe button to join the family, and also hit the notification bell icon so you're notified when I put up new videos. Without wasting much time, let's take a look around the box. We have the S4 here. This is the Infinix S4, and it's Infinix first phone with a water drop notch, and it looks quite good from what I saw yesterday. And but this is going to be the unboxing experience and to show you what you have in the box. So I've got the 32 gigabytes plus 3 gigabytes version over here, and it's got GPS, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. It's got 4000 milliamp hour battery and a bunch of other stuff that we'll be looking at when we reveal the device. But without wasting much time, let me get straight into unboxing the Infinix S4. So just like you always have in the same Infinix fashion, you have the phone on top there, and that notch is looking pretty good. So we're going to set this aside for now. So in the first compartment here, you have your SIM ejector tool, and we have all the paperwork here, and then you have a film screen protector. You also have a transparent silicone case. We have your travel charging adapter. This is a 5-volt 2 amp adapter, so this is not a fast charger. It's a micro USB cable, and then we have our earphones. And let's take a look at the Infinix S4. So lifting this device up, I can say this is a very light device. It doesn't feel heavy in any way, but Infinix has done a very good job of making this feel really good in the hands. I mean, the sides are carved, so it feels good when you hold it. I'm just going to take this off here. So you have that 2.5D glass on the front here, and let's take the back off as well. And you have that nebula blue behind. So let's turn on this device, set it up. I'll put my details in, and I'll be back to give you more info on the software and how this phone performs. Alright, so I put in my details in the phone, and I've been playing with the phone for a while. And guys, I can tell you for a fact that this is one of the best devices Infinix has released till date. This phone looks absolutely beautiful, and I love the wallpaper that I've put in here just to make it a little bit cleaner. Infinix has made the software much cleaner. It's much more fluid. As you can see, scrolling through the pages, you don't have any stuttering. Scrolling into the app drawer, you also don't have any stuttering. You can open up folders as well, and you won't have any problem with viewing the files in those folders. I mean, this is absolutely one of Infinix's most clean software till date. They did a lot of cleanup on this one, and I'm absolutely impressed. So some of the things I'd like to point out in this software, we'll start with the navigation gestures. So Infinix has introduced 3 navigation gesture options that you can pick from the settings page of this device. So we can go into settings and system navigation, and you can see that you have 3 options here. I'm currently using the mixed navigation, which is something like you have on the Google Pixel 3. Then you also have the gesture navigation, which gives you a full screen immersive content feeling to the phone. And then you have the third option, which is the key navigation, which gives you the standard 3 Google keys: recent, home, and back. So you can choose any one of these keys, but I've chosen to stick with the mixed navigation gestures, just like you have on the Google Pixel 3. So you have this bar and a back button, and you can easily switch that as well. You can switch the positions of the back button if you don't like it on the right, so you can take it to the left, but I prefer it on the right. So you can just tap on this to take you home. You can drag on it to view your recent cards. And this is one other feature again that has changed on the Infinix device. The recent card is now in the horizontal format, just like you have on the iPhone. Then you also have the option of just clicking back to go to your home page. So you can also drag and hold to also view your recent cards. So those are some of the things you can do. And if you want to switch between the last 2 apps that you open, you can just flip through the bar on the bottom, just drag through and it will keep switching between the last two apps. So some other things with the software I'd like to show you here is in the notch settings, the display settings over here. So you have that option to hide the notch if you do not like it. I absolutely love the way the notch looks on this phone, so I'm gonna be leaving it. But if you want to hide the notch, if you're one of those people who don't like it, you have the option of turning off the notch, and it puts a black bar there and leaves all your notification icons in the black bar, and it looks absolutely great if you want it this way. But I'm going to be leaving the notch because I like it. In terms of performance as well, this device performs really smoothly. Don't get me wrong, this is not the fastest phone out there. Sometimes you get some slow app start times, and that's absolutely due to the processor on this device. But in terms of overall functionality, this launcher is very smooth, and believe me when I say it's smooth. I'm really impressed with the optimization that Infinix has done on this one. So all of that being said, let's take a look at some of the internal specifications of this device, what this device packs, and what you'll be getting if you choose to buy this device. So I'm just going to zoom in a bit here. So we've got 3 gigs of RAM in this one, 32 gigabytes of internal storage, a 32 megapixel front-facing camera, a 13 megapixel, 2 megapixel, and 8 megapixel rear-facing cameras. The 2 megapixel is for depth sensing, and the 13 megapixel is the major camera. We also have a 2.0 gigahertz Octa-Core CPU. I'll put the make of the CPU on the screen, and this phone also comes with 4000 mAh battery, and it's a 720p device, as you can see, and it runs on Android P. Let's talk about the cameras on this device for a minute. So the selfie camera on the Infinix S4 is a 32 megapixel selfie camera, and this was one of the things that Infinix talked about during the launch. It was one of the most talked about features on this phone, and I can say that from the pictures I saw and the pictures that people took, it looked really good. I haven't tested it myself. I just got this device and I have to put up this initial impressions videos right now. But from what I've seen, it looks impressive. But I'll be giving you more details on the 32 megapixel selfie camera on this device. The other cameras on the back of the device are 3 in total. We have a 13 megapixel primary camera, a 2 megapixel depth sensing camera, and an 8 megapixel wide angle camera. Now the pictures that these cameras take are pretty decent, so I took a couple of pictures here and they look really good. I mean, the color science looks good, it's well balanced, the picture is sharp, but I didn't take these pictures in the best of lightings, so this may not be the best result that can come out from this camera. Again, I'll be giving you an in-depth look at the camera samples in this phone in my full review. So if you'd like to see anything about the cameras, please leave it in the comment section of this video. So guys, thanks for watching this one. This was my quick hands-on and unboxing of the Infinix S4. If you have any questions about the pricing or anything you'd like to see in my full review of the Infinix S4, please leave them in the comment section of this video. As for pricing and availability of this device, you can see those info on your screen right now. Thanks for watching this video. Share this video with your friends. If you're not yet subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, and let's get to 20,000 subscribers before the end of this week. Thanks everybody, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.